Pundi's puzzle is one of our favorite pattern games. The goal of the game is to fill these rows and columns with icons that are all different, meaning there cannot be the same shape or color in the same row or column. Now, diagonal doesn't matter. To move an icon onto the board, click, hold, and drag it over the spot you want to put it in and let go. Do this to all of the pieces until you fill the board. If you want to move a piece out of its space, click and move it off to the side or into a different spot on the board. Once all of the icons are placed into the grid and you're happy with each row and column pattern, click the Submit button near the bottom. The computer will check all of your rows and columns to let you know if you got them all correct or if you missed a row and will need to try again. As you level up in games and rounds, the patterns will get harder and some icons will be locked on the grid and cannot be moved, so there will be fewer ways to solve the puzzle. We hope you have fun playing Pundi's puzzle. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!